You believe in yourself and rock. In today's topic, we are going to learn about data type. In previous video, I told you about variables. What is variables and which variable name is valid and which variable name is not valid. I told you about it. If you did not know about it, then go and please watch my previous video. Before starting the topic, I would like to request you, if you do not subscribe this channel, please subscribe the channel. And if you want content in Hindi language and if you want to learn in Hindi language, then subscribe my original channel, that is Head Coder. You can search on YouTube. Okay. In today's topic, we are going to learn about data types. Data type is the classification of data. Data type is the classification of data. As in our society, in our country, people are divided on the basis of the religion, race, culture, caste. So as its data type is also like that. Data, but it is the classification of data. Data and types. Okay, as per its name suggesting that types of data is it will hold with it. Its name is telling about itself. That is the data type is the classification of data. Like I'm just going to tell you about the data in classification, just like integer, float, string. These are the types of data type. Okay, string, and list. We are going to learn one by one in upcoming videos. So you don't have to be worried about anything. Just you have to remember this list, tuple, dictionary, and boolean. Okay. One thing I would like to tell you that in variables video I told you about, in Python we don't need to define data types before when we are declaring the value. Then we in other languages like C++, Java, or other languages, there are many various languages. In that language we have to define in its data types which type of value a variable is going to store. We have to define. Then we are going to assign it the values in other programming language. But in Python you don't have to declare data types when you are defining the variables. Okay, just when you will assign the value, it will automatically, if I am going to assign like this, okay, then this a is string variable. Okay, if I will assign a 7, then it is a integer variable. And if I am going to assign 3.4, and yeah, then it's a float variable. Okay. Okay, let's come and talk about the integer. Int data type we are going to talk about. Int basically are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. As we all already know about mathematics, you learned about it in mathematics. These are our integer. And when we are talking about float, I'm going to talk about float. 3 point with the decimals numbers like 3.14, 1.4, yeah, 0.34. These are float. When we are going to talk about strings in double quotes, whatever we are going to write in double quotes, that will be string, like string name. We will learn about string in the detail, so you don't have to worry, but just you have to know that string, whenever something is written in double quotes, then that will be a string. Suppose that I'm going to write a is equal to sub, then a is a string variable. Okay, it's storing, and string is sub. Okay, and next we can say that list, tuple, and dictionary. These are also a type of data types which are used to store multiple variable in a single variable. Multiple value, I can say that multiple value in a single variable. Okay, I'm just single variable. That is a string. But we will learn about list, tuple, dictionary, set. We are going to learn about it. In this video, we are going to say int, float, string. The basic data types we are going to use in the upcoming videos. We will learn about this in different videos. In separate video, we are going to learn about it. Okay. So let's see some examples. I'm just going to delete it and just start. I'm just going to close it. In your system, this will Epic Pen. This is I am using for writing. Okay. So here one thing I forgot to tell you. I'm just going to tell you, just so don't be worried. That is about type. How we will know that this data type is integer, float, character, boolean? Then you have to use very functions type. You have to write here the name of the variable. variable. Variable name you have to write. Suppose that a is equal to 5. Okay. And you want to know its data type. Then you have to type, you have to print, print function you have to use, and then type a. Then it's going to give you integer. I'm going to show you so you don't have to worry about anything. We are going to just learn everything. And if you think that something is I missed, then you have to just comment, and I'm just going to tell you as there. Okay, so you don't have to worry about anything. We are going to cover everything from the scratch to everything. So here I made a data types file, and I'm just going to type a is equal to. I'm just going to increase the size. Okay, a, and I'm just going to assign the value 5, and I'm just going to assign b is equal to, as I showed it I showed it in the previous video, in the variable video. Okay, but I am here. I'm just going to type string, and in C I'm just going to store true, and in D I'm just going to store float value 5.67, and in E, yeah, that's misbus. Okay, list tuples we are going to see in separate video, and I'm just going to print type, and here I'm just going to give a. Okay, as I told you that in the Python you don't have to put semicolon at the end of the lines. Okay, another video. Okay, I'm going to learn it, not learn it. Okay, here we are going to see the output, what it's going to show. Okay, class int. Before I'm going to show you the message, because for clearing everything, in double quotes we put the message because it's a string. Function we are using. Okay, I'm just going to give the message this, and then I'm going to run it. Then you can see type function we are using and class int. Basically a is integer. Okay, and now I will copy it, control C, and just going to put it for 4 times. 2, 3, 4. Okay, and I'm going to show it B. Here I will put C. Here I'm going to put D, and I'm going to run the current file. Yeah, firstly I give a, then a is our integer, as you all know that a is integer, so it's give a. If we are giving b string, then it's going to give us str, that means string, and the c is true. True basically it's storing boolean value. Okay, so it's a blue bool here is written, and 5.67 is a float value, so that's is I told you about float, so that's its class is given float. In today's video, we learned about data types. We saw some data types, and we are going to continue with the different data types. Okay, we are going to learn in upcoming videos. Typecasting we will show in upcoming videos, and other things as we are going to learn one by one. So you don't have to worry about anything. If you have any doubts, just please contact me. Just comment, and I will reply. I'm going to reply you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching the video.